Are you struggling to find time for fitness amidst your busy life? What if I told you that you could burn extra calories just by working out on an empty stomach? Here are 4 simple principles that can help you shed weight and lead a healthier life without extensive workout sessions. With just 3 months left until the new year, make these last few months count by prioritizing our health. Her first tip: exercise on an empty stomach. This not only helps in extra calorie burn, but also improves mental clarity and focus. Engage multiple muscle groups whenever possible, like in Surya Namaskar. This efficient workout increases calorie burn and improves overall strength and balance. Vary your heart rate throughout your workout with interval training. This keeps your heart rate guessing and enhances cardiovascular health and insulin sensitivity. Exercise strenuously and vigorously with strength training. This builds strength, improves bone density, and enhances metabolism and fat loss. Just 3 months left to 2025, let's make them count. Tips for your fitness. Your journey to a healthier you starts now. These principles are not just about physical health, they also improve mental health, leading to better sleep quality. Start your journey to a healthier you today. Remember, fitness doesn't always require a rigorous gym routine. Make these last few months count.